In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a background image in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to place a subtle image behind your worksheet to add branding, a watermark style look, or simply a bit of visual personality without affecting your actual data. First, open your workbook and make sure the sheet you want to style is active. Look toward the ribbon at the top of Excel and switch to the Page Layout tab. This is where Excel keeps settings that control how your sheet looks on the page, including margins, themes, and the background feature we need. Once you're on Page Layout, find the Background button in the Page Setup group and click it. Excel will open a picture picker so you can choose your image. Depending on your version, you may see options to select a file from your computer, use cloud storage, or browse built-in image sources. Any common image format like JPG or PNG typically works. If you're planning a subtle watermark effect, aim for a light, low-contrast design so your grid, text, and formulas remain easy to read. Now choose the background image you want. Think about clarity and file size. A crisp image looks great, but an extremely large file can make the workbook heavier. Because Excel tiles the background to cover the entire sheet, patterns and textures often look clean and consistent. Photos can work too, but consider how they repeat. Busy scenes may distract from your data. If the image has strong colors, test a softer or desaturated version so numbers and headers stay legible. When you've picked the right file, confirm your selection. Click OK to apply it, and you'll see the image appear behind your cells. Your data stays fully interactive. You can still type, sort, filter, and format as usual. If grid lines feel harder to see on top of the background, try increasing zoom slightly, adding light cell fills to key areas, or using borders for important sections. Keep in mind this background is primarily for on-screen viewing. It doesn't print with the worksheet in most cases. If you need a printed watermark, you would typically use a header/footer picture or a transparent shape instead. Also, because the image tiles instead of stretching, if you notice awkward repetition, consider swapping in a larger or more uniform image for a smoother look. That's all it takes. Go to Page Layout, choose Background, pick your image, and confirm. With a thoughtful choice, you can add polish and personality to your Excel sheet while keeping your data front and center.